Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll guide you through the process of activating Substack newsletter earnings and monetizing your writing effectively. Substack is a fantastic platform for writers to share their work and generate income, and we want to ensure you're equipped with the necessary steps to get started. Let's dive in. Step 1. Set up your Substack account. To begin your journey with Substack, you'll first need to create an account. Go to the Substack website and click on Start Writing. Fill out the necessary information such as your email, password, and any required verification details. Once you're confirmed, you're ready to create your newsletter. Step 2. Customize your newsletter. After setting up your account, customize your newsletter to reflect your style and brand. You can choose a name, add a logo, and write a brief description of what your newsletter will cover. Make sure to select an appealing design that resonates with your intended audience. Step 3. Create quality content. Content is king when it comes to newsletters. Start writing engaging and high-quality articles that provide value to your readers. Whether it's insightful articles, personal stories, or useful tips, ensure your writing resonates with your audience. The more you engage them, the more likely they are to subscribe and support your work. Step 4. Set your pricing strategy. Once you have a few posts ready, you can set your pricing strategy. Substack allows you to offer free, paid, or a combination of both subscription options. Decide how much you want to charge for your paid subscriptions. Remember to consider your audience's willingness to pay and the value you are providing. Step 5. Enable monetization features. To start earning from your newsletter, activate the monetization features. Head over to your settings and look for the monetization section. Here you can choose to enable paid subscriptions and set up payment options. Substack handles payment processing, making it easy for your subscribers to support your work. Step 6. Promote your newsletter. After setting everything up, it's time to promote your newsletter. Share your newsletter on social media platforms, with friends and family, and in any relevant online communities. Use eye-catching graphics and excerpts from your writing to attract potential subscribers. The more you promote, the more visibility and subscribers you'll gain. Step 7. Engage with your subscribers. Building a community around your newsletter is crucial. Engage with your subscribers through comments, emails, and social media. Ask for feedback on your content and encourage them to share your newsletter with others. This interaction fosters loyalty and can lead to increased subscriptions over time. Step 8. Analyze and adjust. After launching your newsletter, keep an eye on your analytics to see how your content is performing. Look at subscriber growth, open rates, and feedback to understand what works and what doesn't. Be open to making adjustments to your content strategy and marketing efforts based on this data. Thank you for joining us today. We hope this step-by-step guide helps you activate your Substack newsletter earnings and monetize your writing. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video for more tips on growing your writing journey.